Okay, you're good.
Alright, we are here at the NB Auto Open House 2025. It's basically the start of our season, and it's been a tradition now for 3 years. Dov and the team at NB Auto hosted an amazing event, so day is just starting, people are coming in, we got our merch booth set up, weather's supposed to be looking good. Wasn't looking too good yesterday, so that's awesome. But yeah, I'm excited to see who shows up, and I mean, last year was like a massive crowd, so I'm sure this year will be no different. But yeah, we're gonna show you guys a little bit about the event, what's here. I'll pick some favorite cars maybe, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Okay, so we're here with my dude Dov. He runs NB Auto, and he's been hosting this show now for a few years. It's been a huge turnout every year, and now we're here in the 3rd year as a vendor helping out. Dov let me drive one of their drift cars. We'll insert a clip in the LZ World Tour a few years back, but they've built some awesome cars, and Dov's going to talk a little bit about the event and maybe some of the events you guys might be able to see him at this year.
For sure. We've been doing this, like you said, the 3rd year. Liam's always been here to help. We appreciate that, buddy. It's an absolutely amazing event. We do a free barbecue, free raffle. We've got all kinds of great prizes for people. And it's just a community thing. We're not looking to charge money. We just want the car community to come together, hang out, and enjoy cars.
Yeah.
So we don't have any drift cars here, of our own cars, unfortunately, this year, because we're doing an interview, dude.
Thank you. Watch that.
It's all good. What any part of this one's at?
So like, we don't have any drift cars here this year, unfortunately. It's been a little too busy at the shop.
Yeah.
To like, we don't keep the cars here, we keep them off site. So logistically to get the cars here didn't work out so good for this year. But you know, we hope to be out this year. So our plan is to go to TMP and do some Canadian Drift Series just to shake the cobwebs off of Riley.
Yeah.
And then go to the Grid Life Circuit Legends in Connecticut.
Yeah.
At Lime Rock.
We're hoping to join Dov there. That's our plan right now. We're gonna try and make that happen, so that'd be cool. Dov's just, like you said, doing this for the community, and it's an awesome way to really start off the season, because like there's events before this, but in Canada, Ontario, it's always questionable, right? Like the weather, but this year, every year, it's been good. It's been a great way to kick off the season, and so it's cool to see a huge crowd here and a lot of cool cars. So.
And like random different cars. Like we're known as we're known as a Subaru shop, but like you go around this parking lot and there's an old Cutlass over there.
Yeah.
There's like a 80s, van over there.
Key cars, Supras, drag cars, S chassis, Subarus, of course. Super diverse, and we'll highlight some of the cars in this video as well. So, Dov, appreciate it, man. Thank you.
As always.
We're walking around, taking a look at everything. I'm gonna pick 3 of my favorite cars here. And I gotta say, number 1 is my dude Lenny's coupe. This thing is sick, man. Pig nose coupe. It's pretty much stock. He's had this car for almost over a decade now, and he's pretty much left it untouched. He's just driving it and enjoying it. I know he's got some cool plans for it in the future, but man, I mean, just look at this thing. It's badass. So I'm a sucker for a pig nose, and that's it right there. So pretty interesting group of cars here. There is every year, which is pretty cool. It's very eclectic. Sorry, we got a truck coming through here, so I'll move. We got a local homies drift car here, G35 on some VSKFs. So that's cool. Obviously, I'm a sucker for D cars. Anybody that knows me knows I like cars that look good, but also thrash, whether it's road racing, rally, drifting. If they look good and they thrash, it's good in my books. Okay, number 2 for me is the S15. Come on, a little biased. Another S chassis. It's on ABSs, which is sick. Looks like relatively stock, which I like. And I don't know, it just looks like a rad street car to me. Okay, 2J Z swap Bel Air behind me. That's my number 3. Badass, super weird swap, but I love it. Everything about it is wrong and it's right, and it was built by the dudes at NB Auto. An honorable mention to Maria's Supra, because Supra, dude, it's got HKS goodies on it. It's in great color. It's got an OEM style rim that's actually fully custom. Everything about it's tasteful. Everything about it's badass. So gotta throw Maria's car in there. Alright, so that was a wrap. We had a good day, the weather held off, tons of cool cars, and Dov and his team did a killer job at hosting a great event. They did raffles, barbecue, it was awesome. So, another year at the NV Auto opener, and now we're gonna head home and get our car ready for tomorrow's event, which will be a separate video for Adam's birthday jam. We'll see you guys there.